In this example, I need to pull in the Salesforce record ID for the user that corresponds with their legacy ID of 1111 and so on down the column. So I have that information over here in this file from the user successes. I can see that this legacy ID of 11111 correlates to this Salesforce user ID. So I will start in the cell directly to the right of the legacy ID, and I will choose VLOOKUP. And the value I want to look up is this 11111, and the array is where I want to go find it. So I want to reference it in this column and then bring over whatever value corresponds to it from the column to the right. I click back over into this file. I want to bring in that second column value, and my lookup range is false. And then once I have populated this cell, I can double click in the lower right hand corner, do a quick visual scroll to make sure it went all the way down. Then I will copy, paste special values, and now I've brought over the Salesforce user ID related to the legacy ID field.